I've been part of ActionCOACH for a while, and we've done several, and I just find them really beneficial because you come away with a plan, you're able to spend some time away from the office and actually think about what needs to be done in the next 90 days, and then the hub is implementing. But the Growth Club, the planning is why I come here. I enjoy it all. I mean, for the benefit of the company, the planning is invaluable. But I enjoy meeting all the others, and a lot of the breakout sessions are extremely useful. You get to talk about things you'd never talk about outside these rooms. So I personally enjoy the whole lot.
Yeah, so the benefits that I get from attending Growth Club are really the dedicated time that I have to review what's gone on in the past, review my achievements, review the challenges that I'm still facing, and being able to put all that down on paper and hold myself accountable. I would recommend Growth Club to literally anybody. I know it's focused on business owners, but I'm one member of my business, and I'm the sales manager. So I would recommend it to anybody involved in building business or being responsible for driving revenue or increasing profitability.
Why I come to Growth Club is pretty simple actually, accountability. I absolutely need it in my business and in my life in general, but certainly when it comes to Growth Club, it gives me a set of parameters to work within to make sure that everything I want to do over the next 3 months is on paper, in my computer and in front of me in my office. The kinds of people I would probably recommend Growth Club to are small to medium-sized business owners. I feel anybody that doesn't have, a huge abundance of mentors in their business, and let's face it, that's most of us, unless we're working in a corporate environment. Like I say, it can be a really lonely existence in business. So having, those people you can turn to on a regular basis every 3 months is really vital.